Oh, you like my tools? See? Needle nose, curvy nose, real pliers, finger cutter plier, stabbing knife, combat knife, stabber, eye puller. So as you can see, I am the perfect maniac. So you're gonna have to turn this like that. If yours turns like that, that means you did it good. If you turn clup and you turn clup, that means it's not good. You can also check to see, this is the gears. Start seeing more. These are the gears, right? I think I put it just one right now. So my goal here, my ultimate goal, my one true purpose goal, if I have any goal at all, I should have any goal at all. I don't think I have a goal, but if I have one, it is this. All this fame and glory. Gear. It's neutral. That's it. All right. So this works. Seems as though the job is finished. But I'm going to prepare that cylinder. I'm not going to torque it down, I'm just going to prepare it for tomorrow when I'm doing the installation outside. So first we start with this. And the Rudolph key. Oh, this is all the way wrong. Out of key. Don't worry, it's a perfect square. You can't get it wrong. So that one is this guy. I would imagine that this goes like that. Yes. And this one is that one. After that one is this one. Follow pattern. Mr. Serious. And then this pattern. I think that's how it is. It broke. Needs to be something here, it broke. Such a hypocrite. I said I was going to leave this for tomorrow. I went ahead and did it. So as it turns out, even though this is in the worst shape there is, it's still working. Alright. The torque spec for that one is 54 foot-pound. That one is 58 foot-pound. So this one is accompanied with this guy right here. As you can see, that one is broken, so I'm going to cut from the opposite side with my Dremel and then make it work. Shit. It. It's ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to drop this down on the frame, put the top in, time it,
That's it.